Funky.
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing and with a Matrix Audio product. That's been a while. I am super happy with the Matrix Audio DACs that I have. Just some minor things that would be fun to have, some functions that I talked to Matrix Audio with before, but before they said that they didn't want to care about these modern apps because the lack of quality, the lack of sound quality. But we are where we are, and if you buy something today that is not Spotify Connect, it feels a bit weird, even though the pro products shouldn't care about those things. We still want them. So it is only 3 years ago that Matrix Audio released their first products, and then a bunch of things happened in the world. So I did not expect at all for Matrix Audio to release new products. Absolutely not. But they have 3 new products actually, and I have ordered 2 of them. So the second one is coming like any moment. And let me see how I open this one, like this. And it's not only that we have upgraded products, these are brand new. These are new in every way. And if I remember correctly, the much beloved remote control is also new. So I'm really curious about that simple thing, because amongst all the electronic products, I think Matrix Audio has the best one. Sorry, got a phone call there in between. So what I want to say is that they have not only upgraded the products and made them modern, I really don't like to say that, but to simplify it, we can say that they have made them more modern. The design is new, and now we have the same design during over the 3 models. As I said, they have Apple Play 2, Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect, Room Ready MQA, so they don't lack anything, they don't miss anything now. And the thing that I am most hyped about myself, is going to sound really ridiculous, is that they now have, the remote is super cool, I'm going to show you that too, but now they have a screen that is also a touch screen. And it may sound really ridiculous. Why should you need a screen on your DAC? But in my case, I use this to my computer. And while I'm at the computer listening to music, I'm working on things. I have 2 screens, but I don't have Spotify open in a window. I have the things that I'm working with. So I would love to see the song that I'm playing, the album that I'm playing on the display, because this one is laying underneath my computer screens, so it's in front of me all the time. So why not have a screen on it? Also, we have some new connections. I'm going to show you everything. And the antenna, the older ones had antenna sticking up. You screw it in and stick it up. Now the antenna is built in. And I really like it that they still keep the square design. I love this like 80s design with the built-in touch screen. Touch screen. So that's really cool. And now one ridiculous thing to be hyped over, the remote control. Because if you have seen my earlier videos with Matrix Audio, I have been so amazed over the control, and now they have upgraded. So we have some more buttons, the same design. It's lighter. It's not as heavy as the older one. That is a matter of taste, and it does a lot more than the old one. Ah, of course, we have a screen on it. That's why. So that's why. So now you can do a lot more with the remote control because you have a screen on the DAC. So about the new connections, of course, I'm going to show you in the B-roll. We have, first of all, unbalanced. We have balanced signal. We have optical, digital coaxial, I2S, and then we have ARC HDMI, and that changes a lot. When I first got my product with HDMI ARC, it changed everything because now I can use this as a hub. That means that the signals from the HDMI, from the TV, let's say, it goes back and forth. So I can use this as a hub. I can connect my Xbox or whatever to it, and the music that I want to play, let's say if I have an old hi-fi equipment, I can use stream to this, and this streams out. And then we have a USB, your standard USB, and a USB-C that is powered, which means that if you have an external hard drive, you can plug it in there. So you can have music on your hard drive, external, you don't need a powered hard drive, and it will play that. And internet and triggers out and in. And one more simple thing about the USB-C that you might not have the need for, but I do. During the summer, it gets very hot in my place. So I have the air conditioning going at hard, full speed all the time. So when I'm sitting by the computer, I'm using my noise cancelling headphones. And as you know, noise cancelling headphones and Bluetooth headphones in general, they are not as good as they should be today, I think. So when I'm using this as a headphone amplifier or a headphone DAC connected with the standard cable, and then I switch over to Bluetooth, it's not as fun. But luckily I have headphones that can give me CD quality via the cable. So when I use a USB-C cable, I can charge the headphones while using them with noise cancelling and get full quality of the music that I'm listening to. And most of the DACs doesn't have that simple thing, because maybe I'm the only one that need this, but I'm glad that I have it. And I have friends that they don't have a TV, they have an iPad where they stream room and they have the album cover, etc. So you can charge your iPad, you can charge whatever you want with that USB-C because it is powered. So a simple thing like that, a powered USB-C outtake intake, is going to change a lot, at least for me. So yeah, that's the connections. And then we have the beautiful finish. I really like this 80s DeLorean look, and now with the modern display. Of course I'm going to plug it in. I'm just thinking if I'm going to be so boring that I'm going to plug it in here, because here is the best place for lighting. But I think I'm going to do that actually, just so we can see it. And except, no, I think this is it. We have a smaller one and we have a big brother, but this one for my usage I think is going to be just perfect. I just want to go back with one thing, because I talk a lot about, or in my older videos I talk a lot about using this DAC for the stereo, and of course that is the main purpose for it. But as I said, during the summer, and to kill out the noise, I use it a lot for my headphones. And this one has the balanced headphones amplifier. So if you have your very expensive open ear, whatever, open back headphones, this is the DAC, this is the amplifier that you want to have. So for me, this does it all. And as I said, I didn't have any complaints about my old one. It was just that it would be fun if it had Spotify Connect, for example. Even though I have it in my hi-fi amplifier, in my home surround amplifier, even though I have it in my computer, even though I have it in my phone, it just feels weird to buy something in 2022 that doesn't have it, that doesn't have Tidal Connect or Apple AirPlay 2. But having room ready MQA also, I don't think there is anything in this size, in this price, that has that. I feel it very hard. If I'm wrong, please correct me. So now they have checked all the boxes. Now it has absolutely everything. I think this is it for this unboxing. If you have any questions, let me know. I will do my best to answer them. And stay tuned, because in like a week, maybe two, I'm getting the other one. And to Matrix Audio, I am impressed that during this pandemic, closed down, lockdown, etc., you can deliver 3 new products. That is, I am impressed. I'm absolutely impressed. Thanks for watching. I just wanted to add some things. The installation was much easier than expected, and that is because of the display. As reference, I have a new Yamaha. Is it a Yamaha? I think it's a Yamaha hi-fi receiver that requires a TV display or something to install everything. So having a small display on the DAC itself simplifies the installations a lot. And then Matrix Audio has an app that is easy to use. Find it, scan it. You can see the QR code there at the moment. And if you have, I have 2 of them. One to my computer, to my active speakers, and one to my big stereo, as I call it, the big surround system, to enhance the sound. But when you use it to your computer, it just acts like a external sound card. It is just that easy. You just plug it in with the USB, it recognizes it instantly, and all the sound goes via this one instead. So a pair of active speakers, like I have my Genelex G3 at the moment, that's it. You don't need anything else, and you can connect everything to it. Tidal, Roon, Spotify, Apple, Bluetooth, whatever, Wi-Fi, everything. It does it all. So if you have an old equipment, if you just want to have your active speakers and play directly into them, nothing else, no TV screen or anything, you just need this and an external hard drive or your phone. That's it. So there is a lot of usage for it, not only as I do it. But when I think of it, I actually use all the function, because I use the headphone amp, I use it as a hub, I use it for the DAC, of course, I use it to connect my active speakers to the computer. Without this one, I don't know what I could connect them to. No, there is no other option. So yeah, I like these products. And overall, yes, there are other DACs, of course, but to find something this small with this potence and MQA, etc., for this price, as I said, I dare you, I challenge you to find something else that is similar to this one and cheaper. That's it for this video. Thanks.